Hey guys, it's Miss Franklin, and I know you have all been learning about penguins, and you've done your penguin facts, and you found out lots of really cool information about penguins, some things that I didn't even know. So today I want to read a story to you called Penny the Rude Penguin. I hope you enjoy it. Penny the penguin thought watching others fall was funny. Penny passed her friend Peter and whacked him with her wing. Smack! Peter spun around and fell on the ice. Penny thought he looked so funny. Oops, said Penny. I'm sorry. But Penny didn't really mean it, though. Penny passed Peter and his family and bumped them. Crash! Everyone fell down on the ice. Penny thought they looked so funny. Oops, Penny said. I'm sorry. Penny didn't really mean it, though. Penny and Peter were sliding on their bellies, and Penny slid into Peter. Poof! Peter went into the snow. Penny thought he looked so funny. Oops, Penny said. I'm sorry. Penny didn't really mean it, though. One day, Penny stood at the top of the ice slide. Peter bumped into her. Swoosh! Penny went down the slide and into the ocean. She didn't think it was funny. Oops, said Peter, I'm sorry. He really did mean it. Penny thought about when she had whacked, bumped, and slid into Peter. It wasn't funny anymore. No, I'm sorry, Penny said. This time, she really did mean it. I hope you enjoyed the story, and I hope you enjoyed the other stories about penguins and learned some really cool facts.